at Linux Truck Stop. They advised that a truck that was hauling watermelons caught on fire from the tire shop in the main building. But what caused the explosion? The fire department is en route.
101 Central. Can you show me back upstairs in that suspicious vehicle? Show me on scene it was. Consider what you will, contact fire department, let them know that the trailer is not on fire, it's the actual tractor. Tire blew out, which caused an airbag to explode.
Well, the story that I got was that his brakes on the back, his emergency brakes, they locked up, and apparently they had been locked up for a while. And when he pulled in, he pulled in all the way around, and as soon as he parked, he went to open up his door, and it just exploded. I was sitting in the subway. I mean, it shook the whole building. Luckily, nobody got hurt. Oh yeah, it was a huge fire, smoke, cops coming from everywhere. It was crazy, but he wasn't injured. Nobody around the area was injured, but he's lucky, very, very lucky.